Methotrexate. Methotrexate. Formulations. Methotrexate tablets IP. Methotrexate injection IP. Brand _names, Neotrexate, Biotrexate. Pharmacological _action. This folic acid analog is one of the oldest and highly efficacious antineoplastic drugs which acts by inhibiting dihydrofolate reductase, thus blocking the conversion of dihydrofolic acid to tetrahydrofolic acid. Utilizing the folate carrier, it enters into cells and is transformed to more active polyglutamate by the enzyme polyglutamate synthase. Tetrahydrofolic acid is an essential coenzyme required for 1-carbon transfer reactions in de novo purine synthesis and amino acid interconversion. The inhibition is pseudo-irreversible because MTX has 50,000 times higher affinity for the enzyme than the normal substrate. It kills cells in S phase. In this process, synthesis of RNA, DNA protein suffers.